flashing buttons.
Yeah.
You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
That's you.
Left pilot. Hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting.
What's over?
They've locked onto us. Take it easy, that shot.
Get right behind it. How did it take us? I don't know.
Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, shoot the cargo free. Yes, pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I gravity go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxial. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Shoot the train.
Shoot.
Engineers, reel us closer. I think I will let you tell the route. Oh, that's things are getting hard. We've got to get out of here. It's a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. We did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. Remote. You retrieved one container of coaxial. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batu.